Good morning, children. Welcome to our online video classes. Today, we will learn about direct object and indirect object, which is the continuation of chapter 4. All sentences have a subject and a verb. Some sentences may also have an object after the main verb. First, we will learn what is an object. An object is a part of the predicate in the sentence. It receives the action done by the subject. There are two types of objects within a sentence. First, direct object, and the second, indirect object. For example, my father gifted me a watch on my birthday. Here, a watch is direct object and me is an indirect object. Next, we will see a direct object. A direct object is a noun or noun phrase or pronoun that receives the action of a verb directly. A direct object answers the question what. For example, Ravi told the truth at last. What did Ravi tell? Truth. So, truth is the direct object. Next, we will see an indirect object. An indirect object is the noun or noun phrase or pronoun to whom or for whom the action is done. An indirect object answers the question to whom or for whom. It often comes after a preposition. There can be no indirect object without a direct object. For example, she passed the salt to Nikki. The salt is passed to whom? Nikki. Here the action is done to Nikki. So, Nikki is the indirect object that comes after the preposition to. An indirect object may come before or after a direct object. For example, Raju gave the notes to me. Here, me is an indirect object that has come after the direct object. Another example, Raju gave me the notes. Here, me is an indirect object that has come before the direct object. So, once again, go through the video and learn what is the direct object and an indirect object.